Good morning. We are going to be installing some knuckle guards this morning. I've got my box of goodies along with the coffee. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're going to give it a go and hope for the best. She's all nice and clean from the last time I got home. I've absolutely no idea what I'm doing here, but that's all part of the fun, isn't it? Can't see. Why is it always the smallest jobs become so much more fiddlier than you thought? So we've actually run into a bit of a problem already. I had new brake and clutch levers installed, and basically where this knuckle guard frame is supposed to go over the top, because this lever is actually quite far out and it's actually on the minimum, so it doesn't go any further in. When I line it up here, I won't be able to do this with one hand, but when I line it up, it basically pulls the lever in so that it's like this, which obviously doesn't work. So I'm going to leave it for the moment and actually see if I can have someone have a look at it, because I don't want to mess around with it and screw something up and then not be able to fix it, because I've got a ride tomorrow and I want to be able to get out on the bike. So yeah, we tried. Right, well, that didn't go as I had planned. Are you coming up? Come on then. Come on then. Good boy. Oh yeah, everyone meet Ernie, by the way. This is my little dog. His name's Ernie. He's a mini schnauzer. He's my life and soul. I love him very much. Mwah. Are you a good boy? Haven't yet taken him pillion on the bike because I would never forgive myself. I also don't think he would like it very much. But you have sat on the motorbike, haven't you? Excuse me. He's a very distinguished gentleman, aren't you? Yeah. So, yeah, that didn't go to plan. Well, I mean, at least I attempted. But, yeah, I think I'm going to have to take another look at that at some point. And have a look into it to see what I can do, because I really do want those knuckle guards on there just to help with wind, and also if I drop the bike. So going to have to work out how I can get those on there without interfering with the clutch and brake levers, but I'm not sure how to do that. But it is a beautiful sunny day, probably the last dry sunny day for the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to get myself out. I have no idea where I'm going to go at the moment. I think I'm just going to go out and just bimble and see where I end up, because it's a beautiful day, sky's clear, it's fresh, it's sunny, and it's a good excuse just to get out and about, I think. this is what I came here for. Ah, that was lovely. I do love going out and about on the bike. You always end up meeting someone. That has been a successful trip to Infinity. I've picked up a snapjack for my bike, which is what I was after, because I don't have a centre stand on this bike and I don't have a paddock stand at home, and I need to clean the bloody chain on this thing. The rest of the bike is spotless, the chain not so much. So while I was in there, managed to try on a pair of touring boots. Now I've had such an issue trying to find boots to wear, because this bike is quite tall. I need something with a bit of a heel or a bit of a platform. I just found some. I think they're called Former Adventure Ladies touring boots, and I think they might be the ones. Unfortunately, I couldn't take them home with me because I've got no space, but they might be a winner. Now time to have some fun in the sun before it starts pouring down for the next 2 weeks. Like going on these little mini adventures on the bike. I think I've come to learn that not every outing needs to be a big adventure and, you know, tons of miles. Little and often is the way forward. I think we're going to catch some golden hour. Can't believe I waited 29 years to get on a bike. Best thing I ever did. Best thing I ever did. I've been out on the bike all day. I think I've been on the bike for about 5 hours. It's been great. Loved every second of it. The sun's starting to set though, so I better get myself home before it gets very cold. Woohoo! Great little bit of roads. That is lots of fun. Oh shit, oh my god, that was a little bit further downhill than I thought it was going to be. Just nearly dumped the bike. Just a little baby rev through the tunnel, nothing crazy. I'm not a criminal. My back is hurting now. I can't even be bothered to filter. I'm feeling lazy now. Can't be bothered to filter or anything. I'm just bimbling. Got no energy. Oh. Woo! Oh. That is good stuff, man. What a fantastic day. I wish every day was like this. Toot toot beep beep. Home, sweet home. What have you got for me? Oh my goodness. Did you bring me your toy? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Oh yes. Oh yes. Good boy.